Chapter 10, Tappa Roti Tappa Dal. So in this chapter we are going to see a game played by children. So here few children are playing game. So they were making roti and dal. So we'll see how they play. पर्दा खुलने पर बच्चे खेलते हुए दिखाई पड़ते हैं। सब बच्चे हल्ला मचाते हंसते हुए बड़े उत्साह के साथ खेल रहे हैं। So when the curtain opens, so we can see the scene of children playing. So all the children are playing with great excitement and they were making noise. They were very happy and they were laughing. अचानक मुन्नी अपने घर से भागी भागी वहां आती हैं और नीना को पुकारती हैं. So suddenly Munni comes there from her house and calls Nina. नीना खेल छोड़कर सामने एक किनारे पर आ जाती हैं. पीछे बच्चों का खेल चलता रहता है. So Nina leaves the game and comes to one corner of that place, and other children were playing behind. So here parda is curtain. Halla machate meaning is making noise. Achanak is suddenly. Pukarti meaning is call and corner. Kinare is corner. Munni. Pukarkar O Nina, Nina sun. So he's saying, Munni is saying, Pukarkar meaning is calling. O Nina, listen Nina. Nina, पास आते हुए क्यों? क्या बात है मुन्नी? पास आते हुए meaning is coming closer. She says, why? What's the matter, मुन्नी? मुन्नी, देख नीना, आज मैंने अम्मा से आटा, घी, दाल, दही, साग, चीनी, मक्खन सब चीजें ले ली हैं. चल रोटी का खेल खेलेंगे. So Muni is saying, see Nina, today I have taken everything from Amma. So what she has taken is, she has taken flour, ghee, lentils, curd, greens, chini, meaning is sugar, makkan is butter. So let's play a game of bread. She is calling. So this is the picture of this conversation. We'll see what happens next. Nina says, हाँ, खूब मजा आएगा. चलो उन लोगों को भी बुला ले ताली बजाकर. So Nina is saying, yes, it will be fun. Come on, call those people too. So she's clapping her hands and she's calling the other people. अरे चुन्नू सोनू, अब इस खेल को खेलते तो बहुत देर हो गई. चलो अब रोटी का खेल खेले. So she's calling the other people. She's saying, hey Chunnu, listen, now it was too late to play this game. So come, let's play the game of bread now. Sab, हाँ यह ठीक है. So all others say that yes, this is fine and correct. Munni says, अच्छा, चलो देख चुन्नू, तू और टिंकू बाजार से साग सब्जी लाने का काम करना. So Munni says, come on, well, see Chunnu, you and Tinku will get the vegetables from market. So Nina, नहीं मुन्नी इन दोनों से दाल बनवाएंगे. जब इनसे आग तक नहीं जलेंगी तब मजा आएगा. So Nina says, no Munni, we will make these two to make lentils. It will be fun because they don't even know how to make fire. Chunnu says, तो क्या तू समझती हैं हम आग ही नागी जला सकते हैं. So Chunnu is saying, so do you think we can't make fire? चल रे टिंकू, आज इन्हें दाल बनाकर दिखा ही देंगे क्यों. So he's saying, come on Tinku, today we will show them how to make lentils. So Tinku says, हाँ हाँ दोस्त देख लगे. So देख लेंगे. So he says, yes friend, we'll see. मुन्नी, तो सरला तुम क्या करेंगे. So Munni says, Sarla, what are you going to do? So Munni says, Sarla says, भाई मैं तो दही का कट्टा चला दूंगी. So he's saying, brother, I'm going to make curd from, I'm going to make curd from butter. So Munni says, out Tarla tu. So what Munni says, what are you going to do, Tarla? Tarla says, मैं तेरे संग रोटी बनाऊंगी. So Tarla says, I'm going to do roti with you. नीना, ठीक है मैं बिल्ली बन जाती हूँ. खूब मजा आएंगे तुम्हारे सारी चीजों कहाँ जाऊंगी. So Nina says, okay, I will become cat. Will be a lot of fun. I will eat all your things. So Nina says. So in this page, Jala is burn. देंगे meanings will show. बन जाती हूँ is become. Billy is cat. We'll see what happens next. मट्टा चलाने की हांडी लेकर अभिनय के साथ सरला और तरला रंगमंच पर आती हैं. So Sarla and Tarla come to the stage with acting to make the curd from pot. फिर गगरी उतारने का और रई से मट्टा चलाने का अभिनय करती हैं. So this is रई. So this instrument is रई. So with this they were making curd. एक बच्चा रोता हुआ माँ के पास आते हैं. So baby comes crying to his mother. वह उसे मक्खन देने का अभिनय करती हैं. So and mother acts as if she is giving butter to the child which is crying. प्यास से पास में बिठाकर फिर मट्टा चलाने लगती हैं. So what she is doing, she is acting as if she is giving the butter with love. She starts running the pot. मट्टा देखने का अभिनय करती हैं. So मुन्नी दौड़ कर जाती हैं. मट्टा देखने का अभिनय करती हैं. So what Munni is doing, Munni comes fast and acts to see the buttermilk. So how this buttermilk is made, she is seeing. We'll see what happens next. मुन्नी, वाह खूब चलाया मट्टा, देखो यह मीठा या खट्टा. So Munni says, wow, you have lot of buttermilk. See whether it is sweet or sour. Meeta meaning sweet, katta meaning sour. Sarla, क्या देखोगी इस मट्टे का बढ़िया स्वाद खाकर सब करते हैं याद. So he's saying, Sarla is saying, what will you see? This buttermilk tastes good and everyone remembers after eating it. Yaad meaning is remember. चुन्नू टिंकू गंदे पर बोझ रखे हुए आते हैं. So Chinnu, Tinku come with a burden on their shoulder. We'll see what happens next. Tarla, yah lo Chunnu Tinku aaye. So Tarla says, take this Chinnu Tinku come. देखे क्या तरकारी लाए. So they see what vegetables they bought. चुन्नू बोझ उतारते हुए. So meaning is taking off the burden. ओहो पीट रही हैं दुख. So they are saying their back is paining. Tinku says मुझको लगी करारी भूख. So he says I feel very hungry. मुन्नी मुख मटकारते हुए. बच्चू जी भूख लगने से क्या होगा. So murmuring angrily, Munni says, बच्चू जी, what would happen when you are hungry? आप पहले तुम आग जलाओ और हांडी में dal pakao. So she's saying, now first light the fire and cook dal in the pot. So Chunu says, अरे हाँ, चल जल्दी से दाल पकाए, बड़ियों का भी स्वाद चखाए. So Chunu says, oh yes, let's cook the lentils quickly so others can taste. दोनों आग जलाने, फूंक मारने और धुएं की वजह से आए आंसू पोंछने का अभिनय करते हैं. So what they were doing is they were acting as if they were burning the fire, and the smoke coming out of that fire makes tears on their eyes. So ponchte meaning is wipe. So they were wiping their tears. They were acting as if they were wiping their tears. फिर दाल और बड़ी पकाते हैं. So they cooked more and more lentils. They were what they were doing, we'll see. कलछी से दाल चलाकर चखते हैं कि उंगली जल जाती हैं. So what they do with the dal is they were stirring the pulses with a spoon. When they taste the pulses, the finger burns. उंगली जलने के अभिनय के साथ साथ मुनि पास आकर इन्हें देखते हैं. So what Muni comes near to look at the burning finger. So she comes. मुनि, टिंकू ने पकाई बढ़िया, चुन्नू ने पकाई दाल, टिंकू की बढ़िया जल गई, चुन्नू का बुरा हाल. So Muni says Tinku cooked vadam, Chunnu cooked lentils, the Tinku's vadam was burnt, Chunnu's is in bad condition. Tarla तथा अन्य सहेलियां एक ओर से आती हैं. So Tarla and other friends come to come from one side. हाथ कमर पर इस प्रकार रखा है जैसे हाथ में डालियां हों. So they were placing their hands at waist like as if they were having a basket. आकर बैठ जाती हैं, फिर गाकर रोटी पकाने का अभिनय करती हैं. So what they were doing is she comes and sits to make roti. लड़कियां तप्पा रोटी तप्पा दाल खाने वाले हो तैयार. So girl says तप्पा रोटी तप्पा दाल, roti is ready to eat. Roti and lentils are ready to eat. So we'll see what happens next. ए पक्तियों दो बार गई जाने के बाद चुन्नू और टिंकू के दोस्त एक पक्तियों में एक के पीछे एक कदम बढ़ाते हुए बड़ी शान के साथ आकर एक और बैठ जाते हैं. So after these lines are sung twice, Chunku and Tinku's friends are in a row. Taking one step behind, he comes with a great pride and sits on one side. फिर लड़कियों की ओर हाथ फैलाकर मांगते हुए गाकर दो बार कहते हैं. So then with the outstretched hands towards the girls, so he's singing and asks them twice. Chunnu, lavo roti, lavo dal. So Chunnu says, bring roti, bring dal. Lavo kub udaye mal. So he's saying, bring lot of things. मुन्नी और तरला की सहेलियां रोटी की डलियां उठाने का अभिनय करती हुई एक पंक्ति में लड़कों के पास आकर उन्हें रोटी देने के अंदाज में दो बार गाकर कहती हैं. So Munni and Tarla's friends acting to lift a basket of bread, singing twice in the line of approaching boys in a row. So they were singing that. We'll see what happens next. Munni Adi. So Munni and others, what others say? Le lo roti le lo da. So they say take roti, take pulses. Chakkar hame batao hal. So she says that tell us how it tastes. Chunu others. So what Chunu and others say? Chidakar katta पर जैसे ही मुन्नी गुस्से से उनकी ओर देखती हैं तो कहते हैं नहीं नहीं मीठा खट्टा नहीं नहीं मीठा. So what Chunu is doing is Chunu teasing to tease Munni. He says sour, but after seeing Munni watching her angrily, then he says no, no sweet. So again he says sour, not sour, not sweet. So he's changing its context. खाने का अभिनय करते हुए खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा खट्टा मीठा कुछ रोकर. So he's saying sweet sour sweet sour sweet sour. He's saying the things again and again. सब बच्चे आधी खाए आधी रखे. So he's saying after eating half, after keeping off, अब सो जाएंगे उठकर चके. So they are all deciding to go to sleep after they eat. सब बच्चे सो जाते हैं अचानक बिल्ली की म्याऊ सुनाई पड़ती हैं. So after everyone goes to sleep, the cat comes with meow sound. बिल्ली का प्रवेश वह चारों ओर देखती हैं तो होठों पर जीभ को फेरकर बड़ी खुश होकर कहती हैं. So seeing the dal and lentils, cat become very happy. So a cat's tongue became watery seeing all these items. Billy says, "ओहो मक्खन कितना सारा झट से छटकर करूं किनारे." So kinara. So cat is saying, "Oh, how much butter will quickly eat everything." So it is saying, Billy is saying like this. आगे बढ़कर ऊपर उछलती हैं. So chinke. So what is chinke meaning is, so this hanging here it is, no, that is chinke. Chinke पर कुछ चीज लेने का अभिनय करती हैं. So it goes up and jumps up acting to take something from chinke. So the girl who is acting like a cat jumps as if she is taking something from this chinke. हैं chinke पर यह क्या रखा आन रही क्या अगर न सका. So why it is kept on the chinke? Because nobody can take it. हाथ बढ़ाकर रोटी निकालते हुए. So how stretching her hands she takes the bread. रोटी कैसे गरम गरम है घी से चुपड़ी नरम नरम है खाते हुए. So after tasting the bread and after tasting the roti, the girl who is acting like cat says the roti is very hot and with that ghee it is very soft. Makkan roti chawal dal जी बर खाया कितना माल और देखो वह. So it is eating pie, butter, bread, rice, pulses, and look they were and the cat is looking that Munni, Chunnu, Tinku, सारे करते. So सारे कर्राटे बर rahe बेचारे. So he is seeing others snoring with sleep. आप चुपके से सट पर जाओ. So it is thinking that let me silently run from this place. आलसियों को सबक सिखाओ. So he's it is saying that let me teach a lesson for the laziness. Meow 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 meow, making the sound. The billy went away. So the cat goes off. बिल्ली जाती है, अंगड़ाई लेकर सरला उठती है. So meaning is Sarla wakes up with yawning. और मक्खन के बर्तन को खाली देखकर आश्चर्य से चिल्लाती हुई कहती हैं. So what is she's doing is, so seeing the butter pot empty, she screams. Sarla says, "Oh रे चुन्नू टिंकू बाई, कहाँ है मक्खन और मलाई?" So she's saying, where is the butter and cream? We'll see what she says. Muni says, चौंक कर उठते हुए. So Muni, after rising, अरे जरा छींके तक जाना और रोटी का पता लगाना. So he's saying, oh, go to Chinke and find out the bread. ना रोटी ना दूध मलाई, लगता है बिल्ली ने खाई. So here, neither bread nor milk, cream. So he's Muni is saying that Billy cat ate all these things. एक बच्चा, one child says, बिल्ली आई आधी रात, खा गई रोटी खा गई बात. So cat came midnight, ate bread, ate rice. दूसरा बच्चा says, क्या कहा बिल्ली आई आधी रात, खा गई रोटी खा गई बात. So another child says, what do you say? The cat came at midnight, ate bread and ate rice. टिंकू says, चलो बिल्ली की टून मचाए, फिर चोरी का मजा चकाए. So Tinku says, let's find the cat and find the theft. सब बच्चे ठीक ठीक, सब बच्चे, the children says exactly. We'll see what happens next. बच्चे मिलकर बिल्ली को ढूंढने जाते हैं. So all the children go together to find the cat. कुछ बच्चे अंदर जाते हैं, बाहर आते हैं. So some children go out and some children come. So some children were searching inside. कुछ रंगमंच पर सामने की ओर देखते हैं. So some look at the front of the stage. कभी बैठ कर नीचे झुककर देखते हैं. So some they sit down and look down. और नहीं मिलने का हाव भाव प्रकट करते हैं. So and they show the gestures of not getting there. So they were showing these gestures. तभी तरला सरला चीकर कहती हैं. So only then Sarla and Sarla shouts. Sarla and Tarla shouts, "Yah lo, mil gayi billi, mil gaya chor." So they says, got a cat, got the thief. बिल्ली घबराई हुई सी रंगमंच पर आ जाती हैं, सब उसे पकड़ते हैं. So the cat arrives at the stage, everyone catches him. सब करो पिटाई इसकी जोर. So all says, let do beat it loud. हंसकर मारने का अभिनय करते हो. So they were laughing as if they were beating this cat. बोल, अब खाएगी मेरी रोटी, अब खाएंगी मेरी दाल. So they were asking, did you eat the roti? Did you eat the dal? Billy says, हाँ खाऊंगी सौ बार, जो सोओगे टांग पसार. So Billy says, cat says, will eat yes 100 times. When you all sleep, I will try to eat it. यह कहकर बिल्ली भागने का प्रयत्न करती हैं. So saying this, the cat tries to run away. पर सब बच्चे उसे घेर लेते हैं. So what other children does is they surround the cat. 3-4 बार ऐसे करने के बाद बिल्ली गोरा छोड़कर भाग जाती है. So doing this for 3-4 times, the cat leaves the cat somehow tries to escape and runs away. और सारे बच्चे पकड़ो पकड़ो का शोर मचाते हुए उसके पीछे पीछे भागते हैं. So now all the children, what they do after the cat leaves, cat runs away. All the children shouting, they shout like, hold, let's chase after him. So when they said this, the curtain falls down. So the curtain falls down. Parda girta hai, meaning is the curtain falls down. This poem is written by Rekha Jain. So this is the full explanation of the poem Tappa Roti Tappa Dal. Hope I explained with meanings in this chapter. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thank you. We'll see the textbook solutions in the next video.